me! Spider! Ah!
Come on.
Oh god. It's so difficult. Good evening. My name is Jojo Chia, and I'm over here surviving the world. Today, we are exploring the Diamondback Rock.
An entire litter of baby diamondback rocks. Jojo places them back with their mother. Be careful! She's aggressive.
Real. There's something in there. Vicious. Very vicious.
So, how do you plan to catch the vicious diamondback rock?
Well, you see, I have this net where it's like called a blanket net, and I have it because I'm a professional. Here is my blanket trap. Only a professional like me only can use it.
You're a professional. How long have you worked in this industry?
I've been working for 2 days.
Wow, that's a really long time.
Yeah, I know, right?
So 2 days, you just covered it all.
Yep. Trained for 2 days.
Have you ever seen a diamondback rock up close and personal?
Honestly, I haven't, so it's gonna be a good one.
I know you captured it a couple times, but it seems like every single time it always gets away.
Yeah, I know. It's like, I'm trying to find it. It's not working out.
Why am I even in trouble? Like, I didn't even do anything. Just gotta walk out these doors. Oh my god. What is that?
am Jojo Chiu, and I'm a naturalist from Culver, South Carolina.
I'm gonna pick it up. Are you ready?
Yep.
Come on, you got it!
Add a little extra water. It's kind of heavy.
Yeah, let's get out. Whatever. All right, here we go.
Because that's a stamina.
I don't.